Hey everyone, in today's video, guys, we're actually going to be diving into the Boomira Christmas tree. So you might have seen this, must-have holiday tree all over social media, guys, okay? Or in ads promising a stunning, hassle-free Christmas centerpiece. But here's the question, guys. Is the Boomira Christmas tree a festive fantasy or just another holiday scam, guys? Let's find out, okay? So, first things first, okay? We're going to talk about the hype around Boomia. So the ads are very tempting, okay? They show a perfectly decorated tree, guys, often with features like instant setup, lush branches, and premium quality for an extremely low price, guys. Look at the price. $49.99. Come on. It's a deal that seems almost too good to be true, guys. And that's usually our first correct. Now, when we dug a little deeper, guys, okay, you're gonna see that there's actually a lot of many customers that have pretty poor experiences, guys, with Boomira. The reviews actually reveal that instead of receiving like a tall, luxurious tree, what people actually got was something flimsy, undersized, or even poorly made. Okay, some buyers even reported receiving trees that looked nothing like the one in the photo. Imagine like a twig-like structure with sparse branches, and unfortunately, many customers couldn't even get refunds when they complained. Which, guys, is another red flag, another big, big, big red flag, guys. Okay, and then another thing, guys, is the quality and price mismatch. Okay, the price is another giveaway. Look, high quality pre-decorated Christmas trees typically aren't cheap, but Boomira is marketed at such a low price that it's difficult to believe that it could offer the same premium quality. When a product is priced unusually low, it's often a sign that corners are being cut in materials and manufacturing, or worse, that the product might not even be as advertised. Now, a lot of people have actually complained about, shipping and return issues, right? So a lot of customers have also complained about shipping times too, with many waiting far longer than expected. Sometimes even missing the holiday season altogether, guys. And if you're thinking about returning it, oh, be prepared for disappointment, guys. Boomira's return policy is reported to be unreliable, guys. Okay, with few people successfully managing to get their money back. And if you look at a quick glance, guys, if you look at a quick glance at Boomira's website, it can actually reveal some red flags. You can check for details such as clear contact information, right? Company history and genuine news. Guys, they don't even have a contact number to contact, right? Many scam sites avoid providing this info. So if you're seeing vague or missing information, guys, it's likely a warning sign that the company isn't legitimate as they like you to believe. So, guys, in conclusion, okay, is Boomira a festive fantasy or a fraud? Okay, based on all the red flags from poor quality and misrepresentation in ads to unsatisfactory customer support, Boomira actually seems to be more like a holiday scam than the Christmas miracle it claims to be. So if you're actually looking for a beautiful tree this season, guys, you just consider shopping from reputable stores where you can verify quality and reviews, guys. And remember, guys, if it looks good to be true, guys, it probably is. Okay. Stay safe while shopping this holiday season, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips.